For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Due to the coronavirus outbreak, countries had shut down their economic activities. Proposed projects and other developmental activities too were halted. Now the country has kick-started its economic activities and is also looking to unlock new economic opportunities. If at all the country has to unlock new economic opportunities, then the new expressways must make their way. The National Highways Authority of India has set the timeline for 23 new highways. The 23 new highways, which includes network of expressways and economic corridors, will be completed by March 2025. The National Highway Authority of India has navigated a way to complete the entire project by March 2025. If all goes as planned, then by March 2025, 23 new highways will be ready by March 2023. 4 expressways will be ready in the country, and by March 2024, 9 expressways will be completed. A few months back, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari laid foundation stone for 11 national highway projects. Foundation stones were also laid for 8 projects worth over Rs 17,000 crore. This included 227 km 6-lane access controlled Greenfield Expressway from Ismailpur to Narnaul. Unfortunately, the projects came to halt due to the coronavirus outbreak. Now, the country is up and ready to resume its activities. Expressway provides alternate routes, diversify traffic, provide connectivity for major towns, and reduce travel time. On the other hand, highways will pave the way for infrastructure development at large scale. Expressways have controlled access where a vehicle can enter. The aim of building an expressway is to avoid accidents. A highway is a busy road with many lanes. Highways are usually the quickest route for driving between one city and another. It does not have any controlled access. Through expressways, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has decided to connect several cities in the country. The network of expressways is spread across the country and it connects Surat, Solapur, Lucknow, Vizag, Chennai, Bengaluru, Vijayawada, Raipur, Kota, Kharagpur and Shiliguri. Officials are optimistic that the expressway will be completed by March 2024. The combined length of these expressways is close to 7,800 km and the estimated cost of this project is Rs 3.3 lakh crore. To ensure there is no fund crunch, NHAI will set up special purpose vehicles to fund these projects. The investment made in the project would be recovered from toll collections. The government has decided to auction the tolling right for 15 to 20 years to a private entity. Nitin Gadkari opines that the improved road connectivity will further boost industrial growth and usher in development in the states.